I'm standing here with Dan McSweeney, the coach of the victorious Bunratty United Under-14 Premier League champions for 2013. Very proud coach and father. Congratulations, Dan, you must be delighted.
Thank you very much, Ger. Obviously, more than delighted. The game was as we expected it. Plus, we came to Dunmanway expecting to get nothing for nothing, and that's just how it panned out. So, needless to mention, delighted. Huge performance by everybody, and looking forward to the Cup in a couple of weeks' time, and hopefully we can complete the double.
Yeah, that's certainly one to savour against Lyre Rovers, another very good team just like yourselves. Today's match, as you mentioned, Dunmanway really put it up to you. You were 1-0 up for a long period, but when you went 2-1 down, were you thinking that it might not happen today, you might have to wait for another few weeks?
Well, to be in the back of your mind, there's probably a cushion there that the Skibbereen game was to come, and we could have that to fall back in, but needless to mention, we were always kind of confident that we could put it off at the same time. We have the players, we have fierce confidence in our players, so that's the way it panned out, and thanks be to God, we're there, and after a long hard season, I think we started training the middle of July last year for this, so it was worth the wait.
Excellent, congratulations again, and you can read that match report and all about Bunratty's success in this week's Southern Star.